Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xuv500 model year and the navigation unit version so you download the correct update. Once done, format a USB to FAT32 and copy only the update files. Make sure the car battery stays healthy, leave ignition in ACC or use a maintainer, because an interrupted update can corrupt the unit. You'll need basic tools: a USB, the official update package, and patience. Proceed when the USB shows the proper folder structure and files. Now copy the verified update folder to the USB root. Verify checksums or file sizes if provided, because integrity prevents failures. Once the files are on the stick, insert it into the Xuv500 USB port with ignition in ACC. The head unit will detect the update automatically in most cases. If prompted, follow on-screen prompts to start installation, and make sure you do not switch off ignition or eject the USB. Doing so could brick the navigation unit. Wait for progress to complete. Once installation finishes, the system usually prompts for a restart. Accept it, then check the navigation map and software version to confirm the update applied. If everything looks correct, leave the USB as a backup or reformat it for other use. If the update fails, do not panic. Re-download the package, try a different FAT32 USB, repeat the process, and only then contact a Mahindra dealer. They can recover the unit if corrupted. That single troubleshooting step often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.